An important part of Campus Research Day are the oral presentation sessions. Both competitive and non-competitive oral presentation sessions are included. However, the competition will be discussed in detail in another video. All students who wish to present during Campus Research Day but not to compete for the scholarships are welcome to submit a presentation proposal for inclusion in the program. If you are interested in or required to participate in the oral presentations, be sure to sign up early by filling out the form using the provided link. Be sure to fill out the form entirely. If you do not receive a confirmation email, double check that your form was completed and submitted properly. If you are already presenting at the poster session, you must still submit an additional entry form via the provided link to be added to the list of oral presentation participants as well. All oral presenters must get professor approval to be included in the program. Campus Research Day 2023 initial submissions are due by February 6th. We realize titles and abstracts may still be in progress and need updating. All such changes, though, must be finalized prior to the March 20 deadline. The March 20 deadline is a fixed deadline, and no new submissions will be accepted after the deadline to avoid numerous logistical issues. Be sure to double check that you are signed up before March 20. On Campus Research Day, be sure to arrive 10 minutes early to your oral presentation session in order to have time to prepare for your presentation. Your presentation is a total of 15 minutes long, 12 minutes of speaking, and 3 minutes of Q&A. Be mindful of your time. The room moderator will alert you when you have 5 minutes, 2 minutes, and 1 minute left. Bring your presentation on a flash drive or make sure it's accessible online. You must be present 10 minutes prior to your session to preload your presentation onto the room's computer. If you prefer to use your own computer, be aware that you are responsible for making sure you have the necessary adapters. Note, PowerPoint's presenter function may not work on some of the classroom computers. Remember to dress professionally. How confident and professional you look and feel may have a significant impact on how well your presentation goes. All oral presentations will be evaluated by the session evaluator using a standard rubric, which will be provided to your professor after the event is over. You are expected, indeed required, to remain in the presentation room for the entire session. During the time you are not presenting, make sure you give respectful attention to the other presenters. This means no cell phone or laptop use. If you have any questions regarding Campus Research Day, please contact Bethany Howard, and be sure to check out our other informational videos about Campus Research Day. See you next time.